Hi, YouTube. This is Cameron Simpson from CS Trades 101. Thank you for joining me here today. This market open here. This is crazy stuff, crazy stuff. I'm not a financial advisor or a broker. This is entertainment purposes only. So, this is crazy, crazy. Okay, the market right now, I'm just going to blast through this because my charts won't even register this stuff because it's up so high in pre-market. Okay, ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings is at $26.52. That was before when market closed. Now, in pre-market's at $32.20. We are $5. I can't even get over this. $5.72 difference. That's 21.82% and climbing. This is nuts. This is nuts. This could potentially kick a gamma squeeze, not a short squeeze, a gamma, because they haven't covered their positions yet. This could a gamma squeeze. Give me 1 second. I'm just going to do my usual thing. I'm going to set up everything this morning for you guys. Just give me a minute, and we'll jump right on in here. There we go. Yeah. Sorry. Wow. I can't believe that. This is what we've all been waiting for. Wolves, ducks, apes, whatever you want to call yourself. You owe it to yourself. You guys did this. Okay? You are my biggest fans. Okay? So, I'm just going to link up to Twitter here, like we always do about this time. Weird. Okay, there we go. We are live on Twitski now. Okay, so let's have a look here at this chart. The problem I'm having is, look at this. Until the market opens, this thing won't go any higher. I've never had that problem before in my life on this. We're now hitting at 21%. Looks like a little spider on the wall joining us today too. 21.65% at 32.20, 23. Oh man. Oh, this is crazy, crazy, crazy. And I got some interesting news. I'm just going to wait a bit before I jump on in here. Let's fire this other phone up here so we can keep track of Reddit for the day. I'll let that boot up. And wow. Oh, let's get ready for an awesome day. This is going to be some deadly stuff. This is going to smash yesterday. This is no comparison. I got some numbers here that are going to blow you guys away. There you go. What's my Twitter? It's right on the bottom there, my friend. But I'll read it to you. It's fine. It's at trades_101. And yeah, it's a small group on there. I just got the count going. Like all of this, like as you probably might know, we just started like I think 40 days ago. And look at the success, right? It's just people want the proper information. And not saying that I don't make mistakes. I do. Everybody does, right? I'm not one of these people getting on there, but holy crap. Look at this frigging numbers. We are going to make some serious cheddar today. I got some numbers I'm going to show you in a bit. I'm going to show you Wolfpack's bank account. I literally actually fell off the chair. I was on the corner of the couch and I was sitting there showing my wife and I wasn't paying attention. I went and I don't think it was because of that, but when I looked at it, I lost my footing and fell off to the side. It was actually funny. So anyways, yeah, it's, I've been boasting it big time. I've been showing all my friends. You found me? Cool. Right on. Hey, thanks for the good following, man. You're hardcore. I like you. I like you, man. You're like me when I like somebody, right? I just all in. Oh, did you, was that you that joined Wall Street Breakers and now you're like a platinum member? Is that you? Somebody joined that was following me and I gave them, they were following me on Discord there. And I told them to go over and, because I had 2 followers, we've transferred everything over to Wall Street Breakers. So if you do follow me even on Reddit, if I notice you, I'll try to message you. But on Reddit, it's hard to message somebody that's following you. I don't know how to do that. Like, I'm a silverback wolf, right? I'm older, so all this tech stuff, I'm trying to learn. But it's in the last 5 years, it's gone way past my head, right? I'm a stock guy, right? I'm not a computer tech. So, but anyways, welcome to everybody getting on the platform right now. I know a lot of us are waking up to some awesome frigging news, and the market just opened. Okay, so look at. Now the chart is letting us work. I could not move up. Look at this, okay? This thing's gonna be very, very violent today. When I mean violent, things are gonna be smashing up and down, okay? You might wanna put this on the 5-minute chart if you're not an experienced trader, because it's gonna be very eye consuming. We're gonna leave it on 1 minute here because we know what we're doing. At least we think we do. So, anyways, yeah, you're going to be getting some ups and downs here. We're at $31. And okay, ticker symbol. I got to calm down here. AMC, Entertainment Holdings. We're at $31.98. You can take it. That's trading so fast. We're at 21.50. And we are climbing. We're at $22.50. $23 or $33. Whoa, smack. That's what happens when you've been up for a couple days. Sorry about that false information there. You're probably like, what? I just lost major money. No. So this is crazy, crazy stuff. Okay. And no, we are not in a squeeze right now. Not yet. Because a short squeeze, they have to cover their shorts. Nobody, as far as I know, not one short's been covered. Okay. And I got some information here. We're just going to wait another 10 minutes until everybody gets online here. I notice our group's growing here. We got 8 now on YouTube, and we got, just hang on a second, guys. Hey, what's up? How you doing this morning? I'll always remember you, because if you go on to you got the same bear. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do this. I'm doing this. I'm grabbing the same bear here. Screw off. Fucking. I caused an avalanche in my office just to show you this. See? Isn't that cool? So that bear has a story. That I gave to my grandmother when before she died from cancer. So that bear means a lot to me. And I got it back, obviously. So that means a lot to me, and that put a smile on my face. I'll always remember you. A lot of FOMO. Yeah, dude, there's a lot of people buying in. Yes, you called that, my friend. There's tons. People want a part of this now. Before they were like, and it's the same people that were bashing us at like $8, $9. Oh, you're stupid to buy that. That's overpriced. We see who's doing it now, and we were the ones that bought that early. And even if you bought, say, yesterday when we had a little talk, and I bought some shares at $19, I've almost doubled my money. Okay, so. You're not going to see those numbers again. I can't really say positive on that because there's too many people that will jump all over me on that one if it does dip. I can't really see it going down that low again. That's a thing of the past. Okay, there's too many support levels to go through. It's the same as on the way up. Right? Like, you notice how we'd hit it and we'd have to hit it 3-4 times and build all. Now we got the volume, and this is serious FOMO. Yes, that's fear of people. They want a part of this now. Okay, which we love. Bring it on in. I bought it $9. Not buying more. Don't do that to yourselves. Don't do that. You can still buy. I know you might be able to only afford a couple shares. Aw, honey bear. Aw, that's cute. That's very cute. See, this is what we're about. We're a family. This group, if you just join this group in the last bit, it's a big family. Okay, don't worry about getting put down on here or bashed or anything. If you do that, it'll immediately blocked, and all the people on this channel will rip a strip off that person. Okay, this is a fear. This is you can talk about whatever you want. Like I said, the Patreon thing. And I have it set up. The prices right now are still getting, I'd wait, and I'm telling you not to. If you join it, yeah, but you'll be able to do one-on-one chatting with me. before market opens. I can't give you advice, but I can give myself advice. Just think outside the box on that one. So if I have a little story about myself, think outside the box. Okay, if I'm telling you a story like about what I would do, there you go. There you go. So I will be talking about that, and you can actually log on. You'll be able to do it a couple times a week per person for 10 minutes, and you can talk to me live. Okay, so you're gonna have to get all your hardware hooked up for your chat stuff on your computer or phone. Okay, enough about that. AMC Entertainment Holdings. We are smashing stuff around. And I thought we weren't bullies, but when wolves get hungry, they eat, okay? So we are very hungry right now, and we are smowing down. So anyways, we're at 34.80 and 31.98. This thing is so... Look at this down here. Remember this yesterday was red, and then it'll go green. It's mostly green today. I'm going to show you guys something. Look at this. We're smashing them into they're in the next galaxy. We hit them so frigging hard. Look at this inflow. And this has just started. Wait until this thing recalibrates, okay? So we're going to jump off that. Back to charts, okay? Because I don't want to miss anything. Not that I can miss anything. All you're doing is making money today. So we're getting a substantial amount of consolidation. I'm going to blow this. Wow, that's... See, look at this chart. I can't get up any higher. It's weird. That doesn't make sense. So what it's doing is it's running out of room, right? I shot a podcast, and most of you probably got it. But good morning, Kat. How you doing, girl? I'm glad you're keeping it real, and I'm very happy for your little buy-in. I'm really, really pleased with your success. Okay, and that's between me and you. You know what I'm talking about, girl. She's a really good friend. We're friends now. In my eyes, anyways. Maybe she's like, oh, this guy's whatever. It is what it is. So, anyways, we are going to... I tried covering this in as you probably got my my podcast. And sorry about bothering you guys with a notification bell at like 4:30 in the morning. But when stuff goes crazy in this neck of the woods, I broadcast it. And I know people get annoyed with it. It's just how it is, man. If you want the news up front, this is the channel you come to, and you hit the sub button, right? That's just how it is, right? So we're actually going to jump over and cover, because we do cover, this is a multi-stock group. We are going to actually GME. Okay, ticker symbol GME, GameStop, $262.68. It is in the frigging green again today, 3.14. And she's having a little bit of a consolidation here. These shares, this could possibly squeeze. We're not putting a time limit on it. We don't know that much about this one. They did do a dump of stocks a couple months back. They did some shisty stuff that I'm not happy with. AMC didn't do that. If they would have done that, we would be in a different ball game right now. These guys should have waited until it was up at like about 800 before they started dumping shares, and they shouldn't have dumped them all at once like they did. That's just my take on it. I'm not bashing it. I'm just telling factual information. I want everybody to make money. That's what this channel's about. We make money, right? We don't lose money. We make money, okay? So, as you can see, look at my portfolio. Everything is green except 2 stocks. Okay, that's how I roll. Okay, and I know you guys are verbatim, which is copying directly my stuff, and I'm okay with that. Okay, so crypto, I'm going to get back over here. Crypto, I would not recommend buying anything in the next 2 months until this is done. All the hedgies, and I called this yesterday when it was at 0.35 Dogecoin, okay? I said to stay away from it because the hedgies are liquidating right now, okay? They're liquidating everything. So that means crypto is their main goal. Remember all the commercials coming up, crypto, with all the hedgies like Zacks Investments and Money Fool Money, whatever the freaking thing's called. They're all hedge firms. But anyways, look at this, negative for Ethereum. It's down huge. It's down $120 in the last bit. This one's down, Bitcoin's down $1,300 in the last hour. Dogecoin, which is I like it, but it's down 6%. It's down back to 0.31. Okay, let's get off of that and go back to AMC because we got a bit of a go here. We are at 33%. Yeah. $35.30. That's how you do that, guys. We are in a bit of a gamma squeeze right now. That's what's happening. We're definitely in a gamma squeeze. Okay, just a little baby one. It's not violent enough for a full gamma squeeze. But I wish, I'm going to pull, why is my chart disappearing on me here? That's weird. Okay, I'm going to pull these lines off here. I'm going to try to pull this trend line off here. This horizontal trend line. It doesn't make a difference. What is going on here? That doesn't make sense. But yeah, I think we're maxing it out. I think the Webull is having issues here. They're going to have to do an update on their software because I don't think it's because of past history. It's not calibrated for this. That's what I think. I could be wrong. Okay, I'll check the messages here, guys. Just bear with me. I appreciate life. So do I. 800 is at low floor. Yup. Woohoo! Michael. Yeah, everybody's here. The whole group's here. Welcome back. And if you guys are new, hit the sub button because this is a crazy group. We're crazy, okay? We're a little bit nutty, okay? But that's how it is. That's what okay. I want to tell you something in life. The people that are a little bit off and nuts are the people that are millionaires. If you haven't noticed that take chances in life, okay? If you don't take a chance, you're going to get stepped on or somebody's going to step past you in life. And I think you know that, okay? So if you don't take those risks, but there's a thing with that. You got to mitigate that risk. You got to calculate the odds, okay? That's what I do. I have a calculating mind, okay? I have that causes me problems sometimes in life, but we're not with making money, okay? But in other things like with my wife, for instance, she's very understanding with me. I do some weird, not weird shit, but I don't think out, I calculate the odds on stuff. If we get into I wouldn't say we don't argue that much. A disagreement. I calculate the odds and stuff on things and like on bills and stuff. I'm just using that as an example. And she'll look at things like a rational aspect. So that's where there's a issue. I have a different type of mindset than her. Okay, so enough about that. We're at $32.18. We are down a bit. So this is probably going to be the lowest we're going to see. We could see a little bit lower today. We got so much holy shit. Pardon my language. If you do have kids around you watching this today, you might want to put the mute button on, okay? Because things are getting a little crazy today. Okay, we've already gone through 116 million shares already, and we've only been open for 10 minutes. 12 minutes, sorry, correction. Yeah, so this is definitely getting some retracement back, and it's just going to drive back up because look at it. What it does is it will build us volume. Okay, if we need a little bit of sideways action, that's what brings us. If you look back on the chart, we get that consolidation every step. Okay, it just how it happens until it squeezes, and then it's going to be going boom, boom. We're talking 50, 25, 50, $100 adjustments. Okay, watch it. You're going to be going holy crap. Okay, I've seen one squeeze, the Volkswagen squeeze. Okay, I didn't have shares in it, but I was part of that. I seen it. Okay, and if you look, I just don't know where to find that video. I watched a video in January when I was actually started, before I started the channel. And then I noticed that there's a lot of conflicting information out there. That's why I started my channel. People were arguing back and forth and they were meeting in the center and agreeing on information and stuff that wasn't correct. So that's why I started the Wolf Pack, right? Not saying that I don't make mistakes. I do, but I own it though. That's the thing. I will get on here and own it and say I'm a retard. Why did I do that, right? So anyways, enough about that. We are doing a retracement and we are going back up. This would be your buy-in right now, guys. If it was me this morning, let's see what time it is. See, things are not normal. This stock is not normal. Okay, this is your buy-in right here. Okay. I can't predict this. I'm sorry, and anybody that says they can, they're full of crap. Okay, because all the indicators, like I said the other day, at $20, what was it, $20.40, everything goes off the table. You can't go back and all these indicators can't calibrate to see what the past was, to calibrate their system and how they work. Okay, they're strictly a guideline right now, but this is your buy-in right here. If you read my charts, I show you that. Okay. And like I said, this is not normal. This is not a normal share, not a normal stock. Okay, guys, you want me to cover anything else? Everybody passing through. Hi, Reddit. Hi, Wall Street Breakers. Keeping it real here. We're just bouncing around. We're on a limb right now. We're hitting $26. I'm so happy. I haven't slept in days. So don't mind me. I'll be running and getting coffee. And I'm going to be smoking my vape. So it is what it is, okay? So we're sitting around, we're going to be vaping, and if you smoke, go ahead, smoke. If you smoke weed, smoke a doobie. If you, whatever, right? Whatever your cup of tea is, I'm going to be having coffee and vaping, okay? So that's how we are going to be doing this today, because this is going to be a frigging awesome day, okay? Wait until about 10 when all the other traders get up and things start rolling, okay? 10 o'clock, that would be Pacific Standard Time. So that would be around just about 11, I would say, maybe, about 9 Pacific Standard Time, 8, 9. And then Eastern Time, that would be about 10, 11. Things are going to get frigging violent, okay? And power hour, I don't even know what's going to happen, okay? Okay, let's just, I got a message from, okay, yeah, somebody just hit me on Reddit. No selling, hold. Well, you think? Come on, guys. You're wasting my fucking time. Don't say stuff like that. That's a no-brainer, man. If you're going to rate me a message, put a little bit of brain power behind it, okay? Or like AMC or like something awesome. Like, come on, anybody can figure that out, right? We all know that. So, bear with me. I'm watching everything. We're at 24% right now, 24.5. We're at $33 straight across the board. Beautiful thing. GME is at $260.25, and they're trading at 2.31%. Bear with me. I'm watching everything. I'm just trying to log into something else. I want to make sure everything's working here. Okay, there we go. Just had to set that platform up there. Okie dokie. So, I got some news for you guys. Now that everybody's online, okay, I'm just going to set up Facebook here, and then we're golden. We are golden. We are golden. And I don't know why this crap thing keeps on logging off here. See, the thing is, I got so much computers and stuff in here, it's nuts. Like this thing, I'd like to smash it right now. Fucking retarded shit. Dude, too slow. Too slow, guys. Too slow. Come on. Okay, enough of that. Enough fiddling around here. Okay, Mr. Simpson, stop screwing around with everything. All your techie crap. Okay. Okay, you guys ready for this news? This is some good shit. Okay, let me have a sip of coffee here first. Okay, I'm going to have to read this because I got so much going on. Okay, just in pre-market. Are you all listening to this? Just in pre-market. It just came in. I just got this news. We have cost, the hedgies have lost, just in pre-market, $500 million. And that's true. That's factual information. Okay? Give yourself a pat on the back, because that's what it's all about. In the last week, not in counting today, $1.75 billion have been liquidated from retail investors out of the hedgies' pockets. Now, that is a kick in the nuts, okay? It's we're going to hit in the trillions. That's only in 1 week. We haven't even squoze yet. Okay, we're right now we're doing a little bit of consol here, a little bit of consol on the side. We're going to do some sideways action here. And that's just how it is. Oh, I got a price alert. Webull just sent me a price alert that we hit new that we're getting up there. That was a little slow. Yeah, I don't like that. Why did that take so long? That was supposed to be recorded up here. That was, it told me 3672. Yeah, that's a little slow. That's why I don't trust this stuff, right? That's what you don't want. Okay, guys? That's why I'm going to be sending stuff out to you via YouTube to guys get you all hooked up here. Okay, I'm going to go through some numbers now, okay? Sorry. The volume is 141.7 million as we speak. The overturn is 31.53% already. Yeah, that's a lot of fraudulent shares floating around there for sure, because there's no frigging way that that's possible. So there's outstanding shares. It's pretty much 450,000.28. The free float is, these numbers are not correct. I'm sorry, I'm reading them to you because I'm just reading what's off the board, but we know it's definitely not true. And wow, we're almost up to 30% here. It's okay. Free float is 448, so 448.30 million. And don't take that with a grain of salt, okay, everybody? So I can't get over $1.75 billion in literally 4 days. 4 days. 4 days. 4 days. That's how much we caught. Okay, we're pushing at 28% right now, 28.5. Okay. I'm just going to kick this window open a bit. Tell me if the glare gets bad for you guys. I got to get some oxygen in here. If it gets too loud. Tell me if it gets too loud. I put my threshold down on my mic last night. I don't know because I haven't broadcasted, and it's kind of hard to broadcast because then it broadcasts to you guys. I have it set up to automatically connect to you ladies and gentlemen, right away, because I have my SOS all set up, ready to go. Right? So. Okay, stop screwing around, Cameron. Stop screwing around. Okay, so we're going to cover, oh, look at BlackBerry. Oh, baby cakes. Oh, I like it. Oh, it had a bit of a bleed. What the frig was it at before? Huh. Okay, I'm going to hit the refresh here. Oh, wow, it's at 13? Wow, that was worth hitting the refresh button. Wow, that is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. BlackBerry is ticker symbol BB, and there's a huge short interest, and they haven't covered anything on this either. This and AMC, I think, are tied for short interest. I could be wrong. If I'm wrong, please send me the numbers and find out where you, tell me where you got that. Why did it jump down? Why did it go from 13 down to... Weird. That was weird. Okay, BlackBerry, ticker symbol BB, $13.55. We are 13.67 in the friggin' green on this baby. Yes, Wolfpack owns about $5,000 in this, and we found out yesterday, we thought we owned it at $14. No. We owned it at $23. So, we are exactly 50%. It's all good, because I won't sell it. This is the next Tesla. And I know that for a fact. If you do some DD, you'll find out, holy crap, these guys have more information and better stuff than Tesla does on his self-manned vehicles. Okay, so take it from there, and we got this, put it back on the 1 minute. I was doing homework on it, obviously. So there you go. That's better. I was thinking this thing didn't have a sell-off like that. So that's a beautiful thing. That is nice. This will probably go down throughout the day. There's not that much cap on them. I'm going to go through this. It's 1 point. I'm having a look at AMC, so don't. It's all good. Things aren't. It's doing the same. So volume 1.65 million already. That's quite a bit for today on this little baby stock here. They don't trade that much. It's a Canadian stock. They're out of Quebec, I think. Yeah, they are into a lot of software. They don't do cell phones anymore. Okay, they're into cybersecurity. Okay, so enough of that. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Kat has a good point here. There is a lot of fear mongering going on about AMC. There's bots all over the place putting out some. Sorry, I skipped you. I skipped somebody else asking about the SOS and a downtrend today. I'm going to have to look into that, my friend. Just give me 1 second. I just want to cover this because this affects all of us. Okay, there's bots out there saying sell, sell, sell at the $50 range. They're going to sell, sell, sell. That is BS, okay? That's because it's an even number and it sounds good to the normal person. Like, that's a lot of money we would have made. If you sell, you screwed yourself, okay? And that's just for me. I'm speaking for myself. Wolfpack will not be selling. I told you, we're doing it live, okay? And if you sell at that, you're going to hurt yourself bad because to buy back in, you won't be able to. They want you to sell today because of the share count, okay? There's a share count happening at the end of Friday, today. I think the market's closing a little bit early. I could be wrong on that. I don't know. No, I don't know on that. But definitely if you're going to be buying, if I can't tell you what to do, but today would be a good day for, if it was me, I would buy today. Today's your last day. Not last day to buy, but last day before it's counted. If you buy, say, like Tuesday, because I think the market's closed Wednesday. I think it's a long weekend in the state. I think it is, or something's happening. So, do you know what that means? That you could be buying fraudulent shares again. Just how it is, go shares. Okay, so they could be throwing new stuff in the market. Okay, so they wanted to do a share count. That's what this is all about. It's part of a vote, and part of it is a share count. Okay, so that's what they're doing, and then the numbers will be out for us later on. Okay, so. Anyways, we're going to jump over and cover some stuff here that messages came in. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Kramer. Yeah, it's been all over the news. Yeah, that guy's all right. I don't like talking about people, but this Uncle Bruce guy is telling everybody on this channel to sell. Okay, I don't know who this guy is. He's actually just about 2-hour drive from me. I would like to go up and take a drive up and have a little talk with him. He's fear mongering. He's a GME target, and he has been smashing AMC for a long time. And he's saying that to sell everything, GME's not going to squeeze, AMC's not going to squeeze. Well, I don't like putting people down. He's an old guy, so I'm going to take it easy on him. I'm not going to be calling him any names on here, but I am calling him out. I'm definitely calling him out on that. Okay. So the proof is in the pudding. This was 3 days ago. I heard him say this. Okay. I just got, somebody sent me the link. So I listened to it. I'm like, are you kidding me? So now he just stabbed himself in the eye a couple times. Okay. Because he just shot himself in the foot because they just proved him wrong. He said this thing was going to dive down to nothing. So take it from there. Naked is at 18 point. Okay, let's have a look here, guys. We're going to leave this little bad boy alone because it's just going to do a little bit of side action here. There's nothing. We're just going to be staring at a screen that's doing the same thing for the next couple minutes. I will be definitely looking over here. Ha! That candlestick, they're trying to sell it right now. They're trying to push it down. See this? Just bouncing. It's bouncing. Before it would go dunk, 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 and you'd be like, holy crap. Here it goes like that. But that it would go way down like dollars, like $3-4 at a time, and you'd be like, "Oh no, it won't happen like that." And we're still unloading platforms right now. This is just platforms. This is a little bit of FOMO happening. Okay, so back to I got to jump up higher here. Just let me go back into my notes here. Somebody else asked some questions. I just had to cover some information here, so just bear with me for a bit, guys. 800 low floor. Okay, I'm just checking. Yeah, friends for sure. Aw, thanks, Kat. Aw, yeah, you're all my friends. But yeah, this Kat's a really good person. You might be going to Mexico with me. There's a couple people that are coming to Mexico with me on my group here. We're renting a half a resort. We did before, so I'm not to call him. It's not going to call him name, proceeds to call him. Sorry, I'm not going to call him name, proceeds to call him an old man. Laugh out loud. Yeah, I know. I don't like I had to put his name out there so people know. I'm not going to sit here and bash the guy. Okay, we don't do that. We're not bullies. Okay, I do need to put the name out there because I want people to link the two together. Okay, I do feel sorry for the guy for being uneducated. I don't know where he's getting his information from. I think he's brewing it up himself. Maybe he has medical issues. I don't know. Okay, so AMC is going to dip a little more, then go up. Yes, this is your buy-ins, guys. This is all that's going to happen. Like, it's not going to get any much better than this. It might go down, it might go back down, but we're not going to say that how much is going to go down. We're not jinxing this, okay? We're not going to be doing that. Okay, naked. Somebody said I'm having problems with the messages here, guys. I've slowed them down for you. Okay, I just got to go back here. I don't want to disrespect any. SOS. Okay, so let's have a look here. Okay, I'm going to read this out again. Okay, AMC is hitting. We're actually doing pretty good right now. AMC is consolidating at $33.95. $33.90. Stop that. 33. It's changing so fast. $33.80. 27.65%. Volume 172 million. Wow, that's crazy. Okay. Anyways, SOS. And that's not an SOS coming from me, guys. That's not, you know how we already have that set up for the podcast? Okay, that's we're talking the stock. I just want to be crystal clear on that. Okay, we're going to hit the refresh here because we got a bit of a lag and we don't want to give false information. Okay, yeah, you guys are getting some side action here. It's down. Yeah, it's going to drop a little bit here. Watch this. It's going to drop a little bit. So, oh, wow. Just want to have a look here. Jesus. Did some news or something come out on this back here on the 27th? Does anybody know anything about this stock? It is in a downtrend today. I would watch yourself with this today. Definitely watch yourself on this stock today. But if you're in long and you know the history and you've done your DD on this, this is a buy area, okay? This is definitely a buy area. Okay, if it was me, I would wait until about 9:30 Pacific Standard Time. Okay, I'd wait until these platforms are done doing what they're doing. Okay, before you jump on anything here with this type of stock. Okay, so I covered that. Did that answer your question there? I've seen. Okay, I'm just gonna go through these. I'm going through all the notes here, guys, for you. I like to do that. Naked. Do. Did naked. Oh. Whoa. What the hell? Okay, let me look at the numbers on that. How big is this company? Wow, they got a little bit of a thing going on here. Hey, I'm going to read it out to you. Ticker symbol NAKD, Naked Brand. 0.7130 is trading currently at 23.99%. Wow, it is having a go. So this is called a rip. Okay, it's not a squeeze, it's not a gamma squeeze, it's not anything like that. It would be going. It's not violent enough. I can tell by looking at it. I would watch yourself on this. I would definitely watch yourself. This is very suspicious. This huge uptrend, and then this consolidation, which this is a sign of a bullish. Okay, this is a bullish sign. It means it's going to go up higher. Okay, that's why it went up higher right here, is because that's what this is, a cup. You had 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points on that. Okay, so we'll see what it has right here. I'm not going to stay on here too long, but I would watch myself on this. If you buy in at this price, you're most likely going to lose money, okay, as we speak. I just called that, okay? I don't know anything about it. I have to go back here, actually. I'll do a quick scan of this for you. We're going to do it on the day chart because we got time. We got time right now. 2.8. Oh, wow. Holy shit. Yeah, I'd watch myself on this. A lot of people have bought in here and got stung. I can tell. A lot of people were here holding this bag, guaranteed. And a lot of people are holding it to recover and hoping they're going to get back to that. I don't know, man. I do not know. You have a long ways to go. Shit. I feel sorry for you on this one. I would watch yourself on this, guys. Watch yourself on this stock. If you're holding it, don't sell yourself out at 40% loss. Hold it for 5 years. Okay? That's what I would do. You do your own DD. Okay? See, I called that. I called this run. Okay? Remember I told you about that? With this cup here, that's a buy. That's a buy right there. But hey, this could sell too, okay? That's just indicators, okay? So just don't hurt yourself on this one. Okay? Cuz that's pretty high in one day. So like we are on Friday. So like you could come back when the market cools off and you could be in a loss. I know we've all done it. We've all screwed ourselves like that, including me. I did that on BlackBerry. I'll talk to you about that stuff. Okay, we're going to jump back over to AMC Entertainment Holdings. $33.20. $33 and $32. It's changing so fast. $32.85. Okay, we have already smashed it out of the park. We are only at Pacific Standard Time at 7:05. We've only been open 35 frigging minutes, and we've already overturned almost 200 million shares. 190.50. This is going to be very violent today, guys. I want to get into a gamma squeeze here. That's what I want. I want a little baby gamma squeeze for something to do. Okay, I'm going to bump these messages here. Okay. I didn't see all those messages sitting down here. Yep. Do you see a potential? Okay, I got to find out what you were asking about, my friend. Raphael, what were you asking about? I can't go back in my message. Sorry about that. Okay, I'll look at. All right, I gotta go wash my car. Back in if you're still live. I don't know how long we're gonna be on. We only usually stay on an hour, but you never know. We stayed on longer the other day. So, and I don't have anything to do today. So, AMC will fuck up the hedges and Santa. Sorry, the mod, YouTube mod blocked you. I can see the message. I just can't read that out because it's swearing. But yeah, I agree with you. Okay. Yeah, you gotta watch YouTube, watching with the swear words. I don't care personally because I own the channel, but I don't own the rights to it. Right? You know what I'm saying? YouTube actually owns it. So, but yeah, I agree with you. Yeah, all day long. Okay, new guys passing through. New apes, ducks, wolves, whatever you are. We're all together in this, right? We're gonna be covering this right up and into the squeeze, down on the squeeze, side act, whatever happens. I'm just watching the charts here. I'm just gonna pull this up here and have some look at $33. Wow. I do want to check something here. I want to check her overflow chart right now. Holy shit. Oh, yes. Yes. Look at this. Holy crap. We've never done this good before. Wow. And that's only, jeez. That's crazy. Wow. I'm blown away. Those are awesome indicators. Yeah, dark pool action. Oh yeah, for sure. See, that's what's happening a lot. We're gonna get a lot of action today. A lot of people. I don't know. I put out that podcast. I don't know if you obviously you received it if you're on my my list, right? And sorry about all the podcasts coming out because I know most tubers only put a couple a week, or maybe like one a day, maybe every couple days, if they're really active. I know I've been doing 2-3 a day. I'm sorry about that. It's probably getting annoying. You probably shut your notifications off, but watch shutting those notifications off. You can always bump past it if you're not interested in the vid and the podcast, but watch shutting that off because you're not going to get that AMC SOS squeeze or the sell SOS sell, and that could potentially leave you holding the bag with no money in it. Okay, just so you know. Okay, I can't control that. That's up to you. I'm doing my DD. and broadcast. I'm going to actually send 2 of them out back to back in case, because YouTube has been missing. I'm not the only creator that's been having this problem. They've been not the putting out all the podcast notifications. Okay, there's probably a couple 100,000 people I've been reading that this has been happening to on their site. I've been reading that. Not that I've missed any that I know of. Somebody told me yesterday that they once in a while don't get it. So that's concerning actually to me. But there's nothing I can do about it except I'll do 2. I'll do 2 when it's in a squeeze and 2 when we're on our way down selling, and then you can make your decision what to do. So, anyways, wow. Okay, we're gonna do this again here. 30 AMC, ticker symbol Entertainment Holdings, and we are sitting at $32.75, and it's 24% straight across the board, and we are smashing around here. What we're doing right now is we are fighting some hedge right here. That's exactly what it is. But they're trying speed trading. Okay, we've had this happen in the past, and it's crushed us literally down to like nothing. And they'll do it in segments day after day because they know it plays on your head, okay? They are running out of tricks in their sleeve right now, okay? The ladder attack will not work with this much volume, okay? It actually can go against them and actually boast our stats up, okay? Because it shows volume, but it doesn't record. It just, on the algorithm, it records, okay? On the immediate, but it doesn't record on the volume, if that makes any sense to you at all. Okay, we're at 25% straight across the board. What we need to do is I'm going to put a line. I'm going to try something here. I tried this yesterday and we had problems with this friggin' thing. We're going to try horizontal trend line, right? Why won't it do it? Fucking thing. Okay, this is really bullshit. Why won't that do that? It only, when I'm live, it won't do it, but I can do it beforehand. I'm going to try a Fibonacci retracement here. Let's see this. Let's check this out. But yet it'll let me do a Fibonacci retracement. That doesn't make sense. Okay, we'll try this again. There, oh, we got one. Oh, we got 2 now. Delete 1. Beautiful. Okay, we got her. Okay, I got 2 different lines set there. That's just our guideline. Okay, we're going to check out the... yeah, we do got a bit of a... they're trying to attack us here. It's fine, guys. Just now is the time where things are getting a little lower. It just is stock market. That's how it works. Okay, what was I going to do? What was I going to do, guys? I was going to have a sip of coffee. That's what I was going to do. Oh, I know what I was going to do. I was going to check our I know what I was going to do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Oh yeah, I was going to check out to see if any options expiring here. That's what I was going to do. Nothing's been covered. This is weird, man. Nothing. Okay. Any new news this morning? Just doing a quick scan here. Nope, nothing. Back to chart. I just didn't do any checking this morning because I was doing that podcast for you guys first thing in the morning. Pivot point. There we go. Okay, don't ignore these lines right here, but these 2 blue ones are just my indicators. So we've already broke through. We're testing on resistance level 1. We're smashing on it right now. And we just pushed it back up. Come on, bounce over next candlestick. So what we need is more volume, and we're gonna get it. Okay, just don't worry about that. So I am gonna pull that off there. So that the next level is, so they're saying here is 36.27. We're actually gonna write that down. So that was R2. Okay. We are going down again a little bit. And once we get some volume coming in here, if you look at these numbers, they're even. So there's no reason for this to be going down. Okay. What's happening is they're getting a little bit of an upper edge on us, but nothing to worry about. Okay. Because it's still early still. It's so early. Okay. Once people get awake and have their coffees and have their cigarettes and all that stuff and wake up, people, the first thing they do is usually when you wake up in the morning is you grab your phone, check all your messages, and that's when it happens. You start going, holy crap, I want to buy some more today. And a lot of people know this is the last day to buy for your shares to be counted in this group, okay, in this share count. That's it. And then you're done. That's it. Done. I'm not saying this is the last time you can buy shares in AMC. I want to make that crystal clear. Okay. It's just that this is a very special day today. Then you'll know then you will be counted and they will take out they'll know what the ghost shares, phantom shares, all that crap. Okay. Synthetic shares. It's all the same stuff. Okay. It just has a whole bunch of slang names. You will be counted. I will be counted. I bought shares yesterday, right? I bought $200 worth, right? We've already got a substantial amount. Oh, hey, whoa. We need to go live here and show you how much. I've already lost, 20% since, it was at 40-something% earlier? Just give me a minute here. I'm just going to show you. Oh, wow. We're on 60 grand now. Ha! We've already made $6,000 today. $6,723. Okay, so there's what Wolfpack right there. This camera sucks ass. Right there. $59,000. We've already made $6,723, and that's only at 12%. So this thing's a little bit behind. Is it ever behind? Okay, I'm just going to log in. I'm going to do the ticker read here, and I'm going to log into my I got multiple brokers. I use multiple. Okay? Especially when I'm paper trading. Paper hand trading, which don't do it on this. You'll screw yourself. I can't tell you what to do. Wolfpack will not be doing it on this. This is something it's totally different. I'm talking something like the COVID pill or lithium stocks or something like that you can keep on flipping. Okay. I would use a simulator first before you start paper hand trading. There's simulators, even on Webull. They give you $1 million to start with, and you can actually practice with it. I've actually made up to 6-7 million in my simulator account, not in real life. Practice first before you go into the open market. You will get stung. Okay. It's totally different ball game. Okay. You need to know what you're doing, but it'll teach you. And then you can go back into my videos and you can read on the different symbols and what they do. Okay. That's why we have, if you go into podcasts under stock chart reading, I think we're on our 6th video now, going on to the 7th podcast. And we've covered a substantial amount already. It's there for you guys to learn. Okay. This is happening with Naked 2. I don't understand why you disagree. Sorry, I think we're having a miscommunication here. I don't understand why do I disagree on what. Sorry. I'm talking to multiple people here. And that is Appreciate Life with Julia and Stefan. That's who I'm talking about. About a ladder attack or dark pool. I'm looking back and dark pool action. You have to be more specific on dark pool action. Dark pool is night trading. Okay, it's off the board. It's so yeah. Let's be more clear here. And obviously, I think you own stake in Naked, right? Is that what you're? Yeah, be more clear and we'll work together on this. You have to remember, I don't follow. I'm just doing analysis. You told me to look at it, so I'm just looking at Naked is a great stock. Yeah, oh yeah, I'm not putting your stock down. I'm not putting it down. I just if you look back to what I said, I can't judge something. I even said that correctly. I can't judge on something that I know nothing about. Okay, I'm just looking back to what I see on the chart, right? I'm just saying watch yourself with it, okay? It just because it traded at $3 and now it's back down to nothing. It's definitely something that you want to hold long on. That's all I'm saying. I think that's what you're. I think that's where. Okay, I just got 2 warnings come up that the stock has gone down to 15%, which means nothing. They're just my indicators. Wow, okay, we get it. Stop doing it. Fuck off. Weibo won't stop messaging me. Okay, come on. This is ridiculous. Okay, I'm never setting a... Weibo just lost me as a client. This is really starting to irritate me now. There, I just shut my notifications off. That's very annoying. Messaged me like 30 times over one action. There, I just turned their notifications off. Okay, so should be interesting. $22 average. Another count. Did you? Good. Okay, you're still in the money, Kat. Good for you. I'm glad that you made some money the other day. Oh, there is 100 million. There is hundreds of millions of shorted stock. Okay. There is a massive potential and as AMC rocks, it will cause domino effect. It could. It could. Yeah. It could. I wish you. I wish that Naked will go high for you. I want everybody to make money. That's what this channel is about. If you've been on here for a little bit, you know that, right? But I'm just saying, watch yourself. That's all. Same as you got to watch yourself with this, right? Okay, we are. Wow, just getting hit by Reddit here hard. There's so many upvotes on that video that I just put out. Yes, I will. Nope, I'm down on. Yeah, actually, Kat, we're going to cover that right now. I was just looking at it, and that is good. Okay, ticker symbol MVIS, Microvision, and $17.50 is plus today at 10.55. Okay, a lot of people are in on this, okay? A lot of people are in on this. This is the same thing as Naked. This is the same thing as AMC. Let's be crystal clear on this. This is getting friggin' attacked, okay? Thank you for the education on the Naked. Okay, I got it on my chart here, and we're gonna keep that. We're gonna watch that. Okay, so we have worked together. You taught me something. I don't know about the short. That's why I said I can't. I would have to look back into it. You got to listen to what I'm saying, right? Not that I'm giving you shit or anything. It's just that it's all about the wording, right? I said that I can't do a fair assessment on this until I look into it. But you're teaching me, which is good, right? That's why we're working together. And I'm glad that you're here because I would know nothing about that. Look at this go. Oh, wow. You guys are having a beautiful day. Look at that. Wow. Good for you guys. Good for you. Kat, are you ahead at all if you don't want to disclose that? Oh, no. Okay. Sorry. Nope. I'm down. Slowly catching up. Okay, Kat. Okay. Sorry. I don't like... Oh, no, you're not down much. You're only down 10 cents. Not even. You're going to catch up. Send me a text, Kat. Send me a text after this, after I break podcast. I want to talk to you about something about MVIS. Okay, I just don't want to discuss it live. There's something I got to tell you about this. Not trying to put it on you, Kat. So, anyways, sundial. Oh, sorry guys, sorry. I didn't even. How rude of me. Okay. Ticker symbol MVIS, and we're $17.22. It's in the positive 8.73. They're having a bit of a sell-off here, it looks like. Or potentially they're being attacked. Okay, this stock, I've been watching it for a little bit since actually Kat brought it to my attention. And definitely they're attacking this. We seen a ladder attack live a couple weeks ago. So the thing is they're bastards. They have relentless bastards, okay? This hedgies. So the thing is, yeah. And now SOS is taking a hit too. So it is Friday. There's a long weekend coming up in the States. I'm assuming, okay, I'm not American, right? I've been just told that through lots of stuff. Okay, Kat, you were exactly what I told you to send me a text on my phone. Exactly what I was talking about. You already figured it out. Anyways, but yeah. So anyways, this stock right here, we're gonna read it out. The volume is at 8.1 million. Okay, that has overturned 5.17. They do own a lot of stock. Okay, there's a lot of shares in this company. It's a good company. I've known this stock forever. I remember the video games back in the day, right? Like same thing. And I like, they have good stuff. They were ahead of their time. I don't know what they do now, but bear with me. There we go. Back online. Okay, so yeah, they like I said, they a lot of these things, if you believe in your heart, stick with it. Okay, if you're getting that clenched feeling in your stomach, it just get away from it. Okay, it's not for you. But if you're in your heart, like AMC, I know, right? I know in my heart, I've been holding it for a long time. You have to remember, I was down out of 10, 15 grand, 10 grand, I think it was, we bought. I think we have almost 1,000 shares. We have 933. I keep on forgetting. You guys would know because I always tell you, I don't want to have to do the math again. But we didn't double down. We bought another $200 worth yesterday. I put pretty much all my money into that. In that one stock. I have lots in other portfolios, but here and there, the thing is if you believe in it, and the thing is it will pay off eventually, and I will hold it long. Okay, I give that advice for the wolf, like for myself. If anything drops down 20, 30, 40%, I don't sell. This is what I do. I will hold it till I die. Why would I give my money away to somebody? Unless you're going to flip it or sell it and then buy into something that you know is going to do good. But you got to watch that, because I've done it in the past. I've shot myself in the foot. I've lost money before, substantial amounts, right? But I've also made more. Okay, I'm doing really good now. That was when I first started trading, like BlackBerry. I'm still waiting on that one. And it's up, BlackBerry's at $13.50 right now. It went up $1.58. It's $13.26%. Okay, go. Just need a big client in the automotive sector, and then it will go up. That's true. It will. Okay, let's jump off of this. Sorry, guys, I got stalled here. I just want to say, watch crypto. Crypto is tanking again. It's gone down lower because the hedgies are liquidating it to pay. They're getting ready to pay their shorts in these companies. Like, as we learned today, in Naked, okay? In Microvision, okay? In AMC, GME, they're getting friggin' screwed, okay? So they're going to liquidate. The easiest thing to do is Dogecoin, crypto, Bitcoin, because it doesn't have value. It does, but it's only the value of what somebody says it's worth. There's no financial backing. And you guys, that's just common sense, right? There's no banks that back it. There's no government that back it. It's only retail investors and institutions that back it. Okay, I'm not saying it's not worth anything, but it's just a gray area, right? Okie dokie. 60%. Yeah. That's why you're here. 60%'s frigging huge. Good, good. And then you can recover, that evens everything out for your other stocks, right? So let's jump back on over to, we did have a sell-off. It is down, okay? Just no panicking, no panic. We still got the whole day. We were already warned about this, okay? We were already warned that we could have a bit of, this is a buy signal now, okay? This is a straight across, buy across the board right now, okay? For Wolfpack anyways. It is down. You might not see these levels again, okay? That's like, I'm saying that, right? I know I say that, but, oh, shit. Here comes the volume. This is going to go rocket back up. Watch this. Watch this, guys. Watch. Watch in the next hour. Look at the amount of volume coming in. It's doubled. Here we go. We just went from 7%. We're up to 9% in like 20 seconds. People are waiting for this. This is on sale right now. Okay? So here we go. Money, money, money. And you're up 60%. Wait until about another 20 minutes. Right? Come on, guys. Yeah. 11%. I better watch moving around here. I'm going to work up a sweat like I did the other day. Oh, I'm glad that there's no rain on the road. And just tell me if these cars annoy you, okay? We always get the assholes in the diesel truck. Wah, wah, wah. Everybody has those that go by their house, but... Okay. Welcome to the newcomers. I see a lot of people coming and going and passing around. And I know a lot of people jump on here before they go to work. Good for you. Out there grinding and making the money to invest, right? I usually work full time. It's just that I'm a lot of people COVID and stuff, right? So I work up. I'm an operator, if nobody, and a welder. I've been a welder for 20 years, 15 years, but I had a bad accident. I was rear-ended in my truck, really bad, and it broke my neck into 2 different places. I have titanium plates all the way up my neck. That's what you'll hear me going, oh, I can barely move some days. That's why. Or you'll see me twitch around, or my arm, I'll have that tick. That's nerve damage. Okay, guys. Not that I am slightly retarded, but it's mostly from nerve damage. I couldn't walk for a while. I had to learn, and I have paralysis in the left arm. Okay. That's why I had to stop welding, because I was dropping things all the time and I was potentially dangerous to myself and people I work around. So now I just operate. I just kick back, put my phone on the stock market. I have a little flat screen TV in there and I just watch stocks all day. So if I do go back to work, don't worry. I got you guys covered. I just watch stocks out of the corner of my eye and run excavator or the rock trucker. I work all over. I'm in the union, right? And I can't mention which union because they would be pissed at me. See, within that last minute and a half, we went up, we doubled, or almost doubled. We will right now. We're at 7%. Well, we did double. We're at 14%. We went up double just in that amount of time. See, this is not going to work to the hedgie's advantage. No more. No more. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. And what Kat said about the $50 thing, they know it's going to hit that probably today. Potentially. Okay, I got to watch what I'm saying, because some people jumped all over my ass on Reddit there the other day over me saying that this could potentially squeeze by Friday and it could potentially go up double. Well, I was right on the double thing. It did go up double because it was at $14 and I was just breaking par and it's already doubled in 2 days. So I am right on that. And I even called that to people that follow me. But I got to watch what I'm saying, because I get a little bit too happy sometimes and it slips out, right? I just don't like being, I have big shoulders. I can take it. I can take people beating on me, like mentally and stuff like that on typing. But I do have a big heart too, right? So the people that don't know me will think I'm kind of got a chip on my shoulder. But once you get to know me, and I'm big teddy bear, right? Who has a teddy bear in their office at 44 years old? I almost forgot how old I was. At 44 years old. Come on. Really? But then there's all biker stuff all around. Yeah, let's not even go there. One day I'll show you my whole office. We'll go live podcast. And you'll see my whole setup here. I should actually show you guys. You'll think it's pretty cool. I got some pretty good stuff for stock trading here. Yeah, Sundial's going pretty good too. We're gonna do a last read on this. Yeah, we got a lot of volume coming in here. If you look at this compared to this, we're schooling them. Actually, we're about even. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not gonna bullshit. We're about even right now. Yeah, but we got buy signals. Let's jump up here and check the overflow chart. Holy shit. Okay, it changed. Remember because we had a bit of a little bit of a downward action. We're still beating them. Okay, outflow, inflow. You want to watch these charts. This will give you a very good judgment. Okay, and I don't know if that's completely or if it's just on Webull. Okay, I don't know. I can't see it being the whole pot in caboodle. Okay, but even 15% is a beautiful day. Like, I know we're getting a little greedy. Would love to see it go up higher, but I'm just telling you, like, those are good numbers. Like, seriously, if we keep on chunking away at like that, it's just gonna be bad. But today's supposed to be one of the biggest days of AMC's year, right? And since the news has come out. Of course, there's been multiple catalysts that have happened, like the theater opening. There's a lot of good things in our favor. They did double down on their short interest. I know that. Like, I thought I was retarded. Like, seriously, I thought I was retarded, but they're frigging retarded. Okay? Because anybody that bought this, we were all called retards on different platforms all over the world. The people, the Reddit group and the Reddit movement, that's what you are. If you say, well, I'm not part of the Reddit group. Yeah, you are. This is the Reddit movement, guys. This is exactly what this is. And this has made history. It's made history in so many ways. In the stock market history, if you look back, it's all over the Reddit movement. Reddit wasn't known before this GME and AMC actions. Okay. Anybody else want me to cover any other stocks that are on my portfolio or on your portfolio while we're waiting for this some consolidation? Or else I'm just going to babble all day. I'm actually going to jump over and check out some Sundial. Okay, come on, Mr. Simpson. Okay, what the hell did I do now? Okay, there we go. So we are on Sundial right now. We got a bit of a bull here. After a bull, come on, guys. You should know this. What happens when you're in a bull? You get a run. Okay? It's a bull. It's a bull. Get it? Bull? Anyways, yeah, it's an indicator that there could possibly be a tailwind, okay? Okay, May. What do you think about... Well, let's have a look. Oh, actually, I'm going to cover this for a second. Sorry. Sundial, SNDL. Sundial Growers Inc. It's a marijuana cannabis company up in Canada here, and they've bought up lots of companies. They are pretty much the king. I think there's Canopy Growth and this one, and I think that there's a couple of sporadic ones, and that's it. These guys are the king. So if you're gonna buy stock in cannabis, marijuana, whatever, weed company, whatever you want to call it, this is the baby. Okay, this is the one, and they're reasonable priced. But yeah, they're having a good go. Okay, so I just want to show you that some action there. But just remember, it's gambling. Okay, just watch yourself. Okay, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Okay, so we're just gonna cover it. They're already at one. Wow, they changed a lot of stock today for themselves. That's why it's going up so high. So 100, and they had some good news come out. I'm not going to get into that because we're on AMC today, but I will go through it. The volume is 140.39, and we just got a big buy-in right now. I can see it jump. And so they've already turned over 7.56% today. Shares out are 1.86 billion. Free float is 1.85 billion. Okay, we had somebody ask about ADMA. Biologics company. Okay, we're going to have to, obviously, this doesn't trade that much stock because that's what you put it on the other charts for. We're actually going to go to the 30-minute. Okay, here we go. Whoa. This is like kind of a ride, roller coaster ride. Holy shit. So going back, did they have a bunch of news or something come out in here at all? Who asked the question? Sorry, getting blind here. I need a bigger screen. Scanners for driving cars. MVIS has the best scanners. Oh, okay. I didn't know that, Kat. Wow, you sure are educated on this stuff. You want to come work for me? Pretty soon we're going to need an assistant. We're getting pretty big here. So I just want to cover, Mary, and what do I think about it? In what aspect, my friend? I don't. Let's check out their portfolio. Oh, I don't have that, but we can add it. Doesn't show you. The hell? Doesn't show you. Okay, I wanted to actually find out what this was about here. Any news come out? 2 days ago? No, this is back in May. May 7th we were looking for. There you go. There you go. There's their news right there. Okay, that's what drove that stock up. Biologics remains on track to have 10 or more plasma collection facilities in operation. So there's your news. That's what drove that stock up in this area right here. Okay, so it's very cheap. Like I said, this is new. I've never heard of this before. Like I don't know every stock in the world. There's hundreds of thousands of them. We got multiple countries, but I see this as a long stock. Definitely, we want to hold this long. And if anybody was caught holding the bag up here, you don't want to. But look at the past history. It's trading at the same numbers. Yeah, it's trading consistently at the same numbers. It's up and down, up and down. So this would be a good stock. What is the highest chart? Here, let's go back a dates. So it does. Oh wow, it trades at $7, but that was back in. Sorry, I got to take this call, guys. Hello? Sorry about that, guys. They'll probably call back. I don't know. Just one of these people. Hi, Cameron. Hi, Cameron. I don't know who they are. So, anyways, sorry about that, guys. I didn't know it was coming back from Quebec. So I didn't know if it was something to do with BlackBerry because I did write them a letter. Okay, sorry, back onto this. So what I was saying is it does trade back at good numbers. So yeah, this is I could see this company, and that wasn't that far ago. That was 2 years ago. So like I said, when they come out of this COVID, things could get really good for this. Okay, and it's not that bad price, but you're gonna have to hold this long. It looks like. Okay, and they don't have that much action, right? Like, look at this. They're in the case. They are pretty much like Loop Energy out of Vancouver. They're pretty much like BlackBerry. They trade small volumes. So, being said and done, a millionaire comes in and drops 200,000 shares and buys them. Will jack that thing up to $6. That's legal trading, not illegal. So if when I get my $1 million or possibly more, hopefully from AMC, I will be doing that. It's called pumping your own stock you buy. So you buy a small into a small company that you know is good because you don't want to screw the company over. You boost it. You buy 200,000 shares. It'll drive that company up to like 10, 20, 30%, and you sell out. You just keep on doing that. That's how the rich get richer, and it's not illegal. Okay, just so you know, you're allowed to do that. I think you're only, yeah. So anyways, that's that. So I'm going to be, sure, happy to assist. Not a problem. Not a problem. Catherine, I see you. There is hot. Missed the boat on that one. VTNR. Okay, I'm just going to jump back over to AMC. Just have a look here, guys. Okay, AMC Entertainment Holdings. It is at $30 and $31. So we're back up again to where we were almost halfway. Depends. We're in a comfortable area. Okay, this is not bad. Okay, so we're gonna let these orders come in. There's gonna be a lot of people doing FOMO right now. Okay, they were waiting for this little bit of a dipski, just a little bump in the road. It's not a sell off. It was nothing crazy. Okay, we did hit an even number. So what could have happened up here? Did we hit 75? What did we do? Did we hit an even? No, we didn't. No, we didn't. So what happens is, if you have your sell limit set on, that's why I'm worried about this $50 thing a little bit. And I think a lot of people are. It's not because they have these sell limits. Do please be goodbye now just by looking at it. Would it be a good buy now just looking at it? Mary, okay. Let's check that again. I can't give you that legal advice. I can't legally do that on the, and I think you know that, but if it was me, I'd wait for a red day. That's all I could do. If it was me, I would wait for a red day. And obviously you've been watching this. I'd wait until it's down in here. I'd wait until it was down. Do the DD on it. You can do this too if you have a chart. I'd wait until it was down to its lowest resist or support levels. So just go back in the charts. You all can do this. This is what I do when I buy a stock. You want to look for the lowest resistance levels and the time frame. Obviously, if it's 5 years down the road and that was that's crazy. And I never used to do this, and this is where I got stung. But ever since I done this, I always catch the wave, right? So what you want to do is check that. So if it comes down to here, draw a trend line. Okay, along all the stock, and you can draw a trend line here. Well, it touched on 1, 2, 3. See how many times it touches, because it will eventually touch again on that point, and that's when you buy, and that's when you sell on the upper trend line. Okay, there's my advice for the day. Okay, back over to AMC. Hopefully that answers your question. Sorry, I'm talking very fast on that. It's just that I kind of want to keep an eye on this. Okay, we're going to hit the refresh button here. We're back down to 14%. Whoa, way. There we go. So, yeah. So what's going to happen here is a lot of people are going to reload and double down because we just hit levels that were behind what it was in pre-market. Okay, so that is it's probably showing buy signals everywhere on it. Buy, hold. See, I don't even want to check the overflow because we're negative now probably. No, we're still just barely above. Barely. Oh, here come the orders. Here come the orders, guys. Here we go. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of people buying on these right now. Yeah, definitely. They'll drive the price up. Because, yeah, yesterday it didn't start rocking until about 9, 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, and the thing went frigging nuts. We were actually at about this level, if I remember correctly. Okay, would it be a good buy now just by looking at it all? Oh yeah, I'm rereading it. Sorry, Mary. Not a problem. I try to skirt around. If you caught the way I do things, you caught my lingo and how I roll. And around things I skirt. It's called skirting. I can legally do that, but I just gotta. But there you go. I think you caught that play. You're smart. So. Vape break. Wow. BlackBerry's having a good day. BlackBerry's up 15.86 right now, $13.81. I still got to go. Oh, man, I got kicked in the gonads on that one. But it is what it is because I believe in that stock. It's actually my wife. My wife's like, just drop. She goes, I like the name. Just drop 5G on it. And you never do that because of the name. But just to make her happy because I spent 30 grand in like 3 days on stocks. Okay. And I lost probably about 20 grand of that, like within 2 days, because I wasn't educated and I didn't know what I was doing, and I was buying after hours. And then when the stock, that they prey on people like that. If you buy after hours, you're not going to get ahead. There's no way to 1, maybe 2% that you're going to get ahead on that. So what it will do is you'll be buying it high on a couple percent. You know how it says bid, buy? You're going to be hitting the bid, okay? So you're going to be paying a percentage higher on it. Plus, they're going to wait until the queue. They're not going to sell on the low. They're going to bid on the high. So they make money on you on a double whammy, especially a bank, okay? So that's what you got to watch. So that's why I definitely have a different tech. I was just learning then, okay? So now I got a system, and it really works. And that's why I'm sharing it with you, that system, right? It's called the 3/4 rule. Do you want me guys to go through it again? I will. Because it's been a while since I talked about it. Okay, when you buy a stock, let's just use Microvision for an instance, okay? Because it goes up and down. Okay, I'm going to say you can use any number. I just like using, but say $1,000. Okay, let's put $1,000 on Microvision. This is just we're doing a simulation right now, okay? So put $1,000 on Microvision. Say it goes up 100%, 80%. Okay, because it does. It depends on what day you catch it. It goes up. Even in segments. I'm not talking all in one day. Okay, so over the week it could go up 80. Okay, anyways, sell 3/4 of it. Okay, paper hand it. Okay, I'm not saying do it. I'm just using this as an example. Okay, I'm just teaching you how to, or not teaching. I'm actually showing you how to do it. That's what I'm saying. It's not actual information, so I can't get in trouble for talking about it because I'm not telling you to do it. So anyways, what you do is you sell 3/4 of it. You always keep a quarter. Always keep a quarter in there. Then you go to a different stock, you buy. You do the same thing, do the same thing, do the same thing. And what you do is you build a portfolio like this. Exactly what I just did. That's how I built my portfolio. That's a system that I came up with. I never read that anywhere. I just sat there because I remember I told you I have a calculating mind. It just does numbers all day long. And it's very stressful, especially when you start losing money. I'm trying to figure odds how to gain the money back. I think it's a disease, actually. I don't know. But yeah, so that's that. Okay. And then it just works. Right? But you could be waiting a while. Like you could be waiting. It just worked out because of CV-19, COVID. Everything slammed to the bottom, right? And then everything went right up to like 200, 300, 400% on some stuff. And that was perfect opportunity to make money. And it's still doing it. You just got to watch what you're doing. You got to look at the history before you do that to make sure it's one of those charts. So here we go. Remember I said that people were going to buy in here? That people were going to buy in here. There's your buy-in point right here or right here. Either one. Okay? And then right here is your buy-in point right here, buy-in point right here. This is what you get. Okay? You get people wanting it. Okay? And that's what it is. That's when I buy. That's when hopefully you buy stuff, right? It is what it is. Right? So I'm just going to hit the refresher here. I've noticed that things are in a bit of a lag and we don't want to miss any time frames. Yeah, we're back up to 18%. Here we go. Yeah, we got a lot of orders come in there. That's what everybody was waiting for. They don't want to buy at 30% above premium, right? Yeah, 19%. Oh, man. Nothing like sticking your finger in your eye, eh? Okay, I'm just going to blow this up a little bit more here to get some better action because we don't need to look at the past history. I am going to go through that news again for the new people that have passed on. I know we got some new people on Reddit and on YouTube here that are on. Wow, there's a lot of people on Reddit right now, or there's a lot of people on Twitter right now watching actually. So, this is AMC, ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings. Last night, okay, we made a lot of progress against the hedgies. We stuck it to them good. Okay, pre-market, they lost $500 million last night. Okay, just last night in the pre-market. Over the last 4 days, or the last week, the 6th day, 4 days, because it's Friday. We haven't completed the day yet. They lost 1.7 billion with a B dollars in 1 week. Okay? Congratulations. That was all retail investors. So that's how you stick it to the man. So that's a little bit of action there, and that is secondhand news now, because I've already mentioned it once earlier when we first opened up. I will mention it once before I stop my broadcast. But we're gonna stay on. We are actually a half an hour over almost. We are half an hour over. We are gonna stick on long today. I might even stay up until a couple hours. I do got to go have breakfast and stuff, but yeah, we'll stay on long today. Today's a good day. It's the weekend coming up, right? So. Don't mind me, I'm mucking around with my computer screen here. Okay. 18.25, $31.50. That's how we roll. Wow. We're a little bit less volume, actually about half as much as yesterday, I would say. We're kicking it up a little bit though. We're at volumes 294,080 million. 294.97 million right now. We've already overturned 65.56%. Yesterday it went up to 140, which that doesn't make sense. How can you do that when 100% is 100%? There's no such thing as 140%. So they sold the shares like almost twice, all the shares in the whole company. I don't know. Somebody explain that to me, right? Doesn't make sense. Doesn't make sense, guys. Okay, so, and this doesn't make the shares out. I don't know about this either. 450.28 million, and free float 448.3 million. 0.30 million. Sorry. Yeah. Anyways, enough with the crap fucking numbers. Pardon my language. Sorry about that. I know there's kids in the room. I gotta watch that. Sorry, guys. So we're at 18%. We're just playing around here a bit. So we got these. I'm getting it. I just got a signal of on one of my indicators that there's a buy signal that we're gonna have a bit of a go here. Okay. Here, I'll blow that up so you guys can see that. Oh, it reversed. It just reversed itself. We did have it. There we go. Shit. But we got a lot of volume coming in to help us, because normally this would drop down $2 at a time, right? Whoa, that was weird. Did you guys just see that? How the hell can a candlestick, when it's moved over the other side, go down even further? See, look at that. That's a glitch in the software, because that theoretically can't happen. As far as I know, I thought when a candlestick's locked out into the next one, it's done. Because I got these on 1 minute, right? Wow. Look at that go. Look at the volume coming in. That just has pushed that up, right? Yeah, this doesn't make sense. Does not make sense to me. They're definitely attacking this for sure. For sure. For sure. Let's go back here a bit and have a look at. I'm just going to blow this up out here and have a look at the progress today. So we're pretty much the same as when market opened. Okay, we've done all this stressing out for nothing. I wish it was just that easy. We're a little bit lower, but we're pretty much that increase of that we had in pre-market locked in at this level. We're a little bit lower, but not by much. Okay, so we still are a little bit below what we did. Okay. Right, well, we're 15% higher, but you know what I'm saying. We're doing awesome. So in the last couple of days, we've gone up over 100 and some odd percent. We were at $14. Yeah, we've gone over 100% now. Wow, that's pretty good. I'm actually going to check my bank account, and you guys should too. We'll take a second here, and we're just going to check our bank accounts. Thanks, Reddit. Thanks for all the good love. Thanks for all the love, guys. Same on Twitter. Thanks for all the love, guys. Those are some good messages. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Aw. Aw. Thank you. Okay, so I just had to reply to okay, we're at $30.64, 15.40, 45. It's bouncing so good. It's pretty good. That bounce is actually good because it's driving it up right now. I'm actually gonna pull that out. It's probably hard for you guys to see. Sorry about that. I gotta be more considerate. I didn't know that it's hard to see on that little screen there. Okay. So, wow, yeah, we lost a little bit actually, just because it was higher numbers before, but I'm still up one account, $4,600, and I only put $1,200 in there. I'm already at $4,000 in there, and that was at $8.20. So it's doubled. Okay, what 8 and 8, 16, 30. Wow, it's almost gone up 3 times. When that hits 32 or 33, it will. Okay, let's check out Yahoo Finance. 57. We've gone down. We've lost $2,000 in that one account just in the numbers. That doesn't make sense. It's saying I'm only 8%. I think this thing's full of crap. It's at $57,000 in there. Yeah, I don't know. I can. Oh, sorry. I'll show you guys because we're always transparent. Okay, I'll let you see that. See that? Or it might help if I turn the light off. Sure. There we go. 57. There we go. I always try to be transparent. I don't like it when people say, "I'm making all this money." No, we don't do bullshit here. We don't do bullshit. Okay, enough of that. I'll stop frigging around with my phone. Okay, so coffee time. And you guys are welcome to join the Wolf Pack too. Just hit the sub button down below. The new people on the platform. We will be covering this every day, multiple times a day. I will be shooting out news, pre-market if it goes crazy. You will have a nice video to watch in the morning when you have your coffee. Yes, Cameron will do that for you. All you got to do is hit the sub button. So, anyways, we're covering ticker symbol AMC Entertainment Holdings, $30.51, 14.80.15. We're going to have a bit of a go here. Oh, look at this. We got a W forming. We have a head and shoulders. There's the 2 shoulders. There's the head. Okay. That's a sign of a bullish market. Okay. Okay, we're getting close. We're getting close to hitting the resistance. We just dipped below. We've already hit it, touched it 1, 2 times. We punched through it twice. The first resistance of this day level. At least we're not down here on the par. So we do have a line of support at the 20, this level right here. That's our main level of support, the $28.58. That level right there, it's already hit on 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Okay, so that is our level of support that will help us. Okay, it's going to be hard for them to drive us past that level, and we don't want to go down there. Okay, so we'll pop this off because it's hard to read the charts. Okay, any new questions? Oh, I think I already answered that one. Okay, we're at 16% already. Bam, this is how we do it. This is how we do it. Come on. I'm actually, what time is it? It's still early. Still early. Oh, I got some messages here I got to check. They're all price alerts. Do you know the funny thing? I keep on getting these catfish. It's so sad. People are such units in this world. I have these girls come on to my, not on here, but on, I have on, you can join it too. I have a Facebook group. It's called Stock Talk, Canadian Stocks. Okay. You can join it, right? But they come on there and it's modded. I have a mod on there that you can't get through it. It's like you can't get through in post, right? Until I accept you, because I get all this I get all these hedge firms, these trolls on there, and they're trying to push crypto. Okay, crypto this, crypto that, crypto this, and like beat it, man. Don't spam my site, right? So, anyways, yeah, this one lady gets on there today and asked me for money. First thing she said, "Can I borrow some money?" Like, no, it's all invested. Oh, well, okay. I said, "You're a catfish, aren't you?" Yeah. Nothing. No reply back. Yeah. Blocked. Permanently banned from the group. But people need to get a frigging life, man. Like, who the hell in their right mind would give somebody money just because you're showing your boobs and stuff? Like, she gets on there and wears this low-cut shirt and push her chest out. It's like, wow, man. Wow. Why don't you go work in a strip club somewhere or something, man? Get a life. So that's what I had to deal with first thing in the morning at 4:30 in the morning. I got attacked. I got attacked by a catfish. So, wow. Anyways, enough of that. I just had to throw that humor out there to make you guys kind of laugh. So, we're back at $17.15%. We're going to hit 18% right now. These numbers are good. So, yeah, we're getting this W action here, which is good. It's a good zone. We're going to hit 18% now. Sorry, I got this dog hair here. I was playing with my dog before I came in here live. I'm liking it. Okay, we've overturned 310 million shares right now already. We're not overturned. Sorry, the volume. Sorry about that correction. We've already turned almost 70%. Wow. I'm actually going to get close to wrap this up, guys. I'm going to wrap it up in about 5 more minutes. Okay, I gotta get ready, and I got some stuff I gotta do today. I gotta go get some business cards printed for my stock market stuff. I got some YouTube cards I just got the guy to make for me, so I gotta go down and pick that up today. I'm gonna go buy my wife something nice today. She's sleeping right now, so I'm gonna go out and buy her something nice. No, I'm not gonna be cashing profits in from. I do not. Oh, we should talk about this. I got to talk to you guys. I've been seeing this too. People cashing their money out on the way up. That's paper handing it, man. What you're doing is literally screwing all of us around and screwing yourself around. These shares are worth potentially thousands of dollars. Okay. I'm not going to put a number on it, but they're potentially priceless. Okay. I just want you guys to know that we do not know how high this is going to go. We've already seen we haven't even hit a squeeze. We're not even close to the squeeze yet. This is nothing. This is just normal trading. Okay. Especially right now. This is normal. We've had days like this, lots throughout the last 3 months, right? But usually it bleeds after, right? Usually you'll get a day like this and it'll bleed down twice as bad, but it won't anymore. We have too much volume. So look at these orders coming in. It's all green. Look at that. All green. So this will take a couple minutes to catch up here, and we're going to see this go up. Okay? And if this does good in tomorrow morning again, I will shoot out another podcast for you guys. Just a short little one, okay? Just a couple minutes, right? Just to get you guys for your if you're reading the news or the paper or whatever you guys do, whatever your cup of tea is. I know I like to watch a video or go through my Facebook or Twitter like that when I'm waking up in the mornings, right? So I know that about 80% of the people are the same, especially when they're on their way to work, right? So I like to give some little bit of material out there. Just because I love you guys, right? It's all good. So we're now at testing. We're testing levels of $17.35. It's beautiful stuff. This is friggin' beautiful. This is very beautiful. Okay, even if when we're going to have these wave actions. Remember I explained that in my video? These wave actions, it's just the way it is, okay? And a lot of people, when that power hour hits, did you see how violent that was yesterday? Holy crap, it was up to like 40, almost 50% there. 40-something% there for a while. It was just, oof, it was crazy. I was actually in the grocery store shopping, right? And I had some alarms, some indicators going. I'm walking around the store with my cell phone, right? And I'm the asshole, and because I always used to bug people like that. Look at this fucking idiot. Oh, sorry. Look at this asshole, right? And bleep. And look at this bleep. And it was me. Actually, I forgot I was in the grocery store. I'm like at the end when the market closed and I seen about how much money I made. Yeah, AMC. The whole place went quiet. This is in the superstore. Oh my God, I was my face must have been embarrassing. And I went up to the cashier. She goes, "What happened? Are you okay?" I said, "Yeah." And I showed her and she's like, "Oh my God, that's as much money as I make in a year." The cash register lady, right? And I said, "Look at that." I said, "That's why I was, holy crow." And then all of a sudden, all the people in the line, "What stock is that? What stock?" For sure, I'm going to tell them. I want them to buy, right? Because it helps us all out. I'm going to shut this. Sorry about that. Somebody is outside with a weed blower or something. I think they're actually, cleaning the road. So, yeah, we're getting some go ahead here, eh? Look at this. We're slowly going up the ladder. It sucks, but when it watching the next while, it's as fast as this goes down. You know how it's like, how can they attack us like that? And it goes down so it's going to be reversal. Okay, it's going to be like that for them. They're not going to have a good weekend this weekend. Okay, they are going to be on stress patrol. They are probably stressed. They're probably in their doctors getting medication right now, antipsychotics, antidepressants, mood stabilizers. Guaranteed the hedgies are all in there getting their meds all upped. Okay? Guaranteed. Okay, guys, ladies and gentlemen, wolves, okay, ducks, apes, whatever group you're in, we're all one. I want you guys to keep it real, okay? And I know you are, or else you wouldn't be here. This is what happens when you keep it real, okay? Hold that, okay? You have something that is part of this new movement, okay? You are a very special person. I'm a special person. We are doing something very, very good. This is a one-time shot. This won't happen again, okay? All the rules have changed behind us. Notice how many sanctions they've changed since this happened? They're changing completely. This won't happen again like this. Once this is done, because this is an old stock and it's an old movement that people have invested in it now, once this is done, it's all going to be changed. Okay, there's going to be barriers. It's going to be harder to do that. Okay, it's just they haven't changed all these laws since this thing went digital. Okay, since the platforms have all gone digital, all these trading apps on the phone, this is all new in the last couple years. Okay, just so you guys know that. There's some inside info. Okay. Okay, I'll do the spiel. Okay, I'm doing my wrap-up spiel here, guys. Okay. I got to go get some rest, but I got to go out and I'm going to go treat my wife out today. It's her day. Okay. So anyways, thanks for joining the Wolfpack. If you haven't joined the Wolfpack yet, the sub button is right there. And if you're watching on a different screen, you can always hit it. I think there should be a YouTube symbol on the bottom corner. You can hit that. It'll take you right to the right to my channel page. And you know what to do. And thumbs up. You know about all that stuff. Okay, for my broker, all you Canadians, You can use my zero commission broker. It does not work in the States. Okay, it's only for Canadian. And then there's, just hang on, I got ones in the States. Just hang on. So the ones up here you can use, it's called wealthsimple.com. It's my broker up here in Canada. Okay, so it's zero commission. There's an activation code on the bottom. You put $100 or more in there, and you can use that code. You will get yourself $10 free Canadian money. You can use that immediately to buy stock with it, or you can save it. If it was me, I'd buy stock because you can make money on it. Just be careful. This market is very volatile right now. Okay, and that's all I wanted to say. And we have a Patreon. .com at CS Trades 101. That's brand new. You can see it on the screen right here. My Twitter handle is there. My my Instagram handle's right there. And yeah, you guys have a beautiful day. And if there's any breaking news or anything coming out, I will send you a podcast like I always do about that time. Okay? So, and be ready for that AMC SOS. It can happen anytime. Okay? I'm out of here. Keep it real.